What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is the video that I promised y'all. So I posted the thing on Reddit: Raw, Smackdown, NXT, or AEW, and Smackdown got the most vote. So if you scroll down on my Smackdown roster, hold on, this is Daniel Bryan, Jey Uso. There's L.O.D. Now, of course, it's gonna work just like any singles competitor. I'm gonna put them in a tag team match every week. Their first tag team match against the Alpha Academy. And of course, on that last SmackDown after the PvP, they get a tag team match. They got opportunities to tag titles against the Dirty Dogs, or who are going to have the titles by then. So let's see who wins. Alpha Academy defeats L.O.D. in their returning match. RP to both members of L.O.D. though. We lost both members of that team. So yeah, okay, Jimmy Uso, Montez Ford. Jimmy Uso wins. King Corbin, Rey Mysterio, and Cesaro. Okay, who wins? Cesaro. And I'm playing Supercard at the same time of making this video, so Shinsuke Nakamura and Dolph Ziggler, the winner. I'm just spoofing to see. It was in the main event, Shinsuke Nakamura. Interesting. So, L.O.D. lost in their return to action, which is just very upsetting. Upsetting L. Because, like, L.O.D. just came back and they're already losing the first match. So, L.O.D. again. Their second opponents will be against... why not do Street Profits? If they can't beat Alpha Academy, they definitely can't beat Street Profits. So let's see how they do against the Street Profits. Oh, almost did that for the titles. L.O.D. beat Street Profits somehow. Somehow, some way, L.O.D. beat Street Profits. So, congrats to L.O.D. on that one. L.O.D. won my Wheel of Names challenge. Also, go play WWE Supercard. Join the Legend Kill. I think it's called the Legend Kill or the Legend Killers, but go join that team because it's my team right there. You will automatically either get promoted to General or Officer, depends on your tier. Sami Zayn beat Slapjack. And okay, random, and Cesaro beat Murphy in the main event. I forgot I got in the computer and got the same PG up, PG down thing. It's got the arrows, so. Okay, so L.O.D. this week, who we're gonna put him against? I'm going with the Mysterios. Yeah, I'm gonna put him against the Mysterio family. So there's Rey. And let's find Dominic. Dominic. I don't know why I wasn't scrolling. There's Dominic. Now, I think L.O.D. has a chance could be one of the best tag teams in the history. So L.O.D. defeats the Mysterios. We cannot defeat Alpha Academy. That's quite embarrassing. Dawkins, Reigns, and Cesaro. Okay, let's take Dawkins off. Reigns and Cesaro. I'm gonna make them fight at Hell in a Cell. Cesaro's the Universal Champion, but I'm gonna make them fight at Hell in a Cell. God dang it. I hate when that happens in Giants Unleashed. Slapjack, Shinsuke Nakamura. And the win goes to Shinsuke. Oh my god, why? Why? Sami Zayn, Apollo Crews, IC title match. And why not do it in a last man standing? Yeah, just a last man standing match, IC title. Sami Zayn beat the Apollo Crews. So we got 2 championship changes in one night. That's something we don't get to see much in WWE. Unless it's WrestleMania or SummerSlam. Wow, alright, here's Hell in a Cell. So Reigns and Cesaro for the Universal title. And Reigns gets his title back. Cesaro did a bad. Alright, I'm giving Sami Zayn, and since Aleister Black just got fired, he gets an IC title match. Not 24/7 IC title. Sami Zayn beats Aleister Black. Here we go. L.O.D. get their PvP, the pay-per-view tag team match. They're only one. Put them against the Usos. That's beautiful. Usos versus L.O.D would be a perfect pick. Just 2-on-2 perfect tag team match. The Usos, L.O.D. And the Usos beat Legion of Doom. At this point, I don't know if L.O.D can win the tag title. No, not Reigns. The Journey match: Rollins versus Edge. Rollins beat Edge. Belair and Bayley, since that's a confirmed match, it's happening. Belair beats Bayley, retaining her Smackdown. Kevin Owens and Big E for no reason. And main event, I'm gonna do Shinsuke versus DB. Just for reasoning. DB, he won. I knew DB was gonna win. L.O.D lost against the Usos in the Dream match, but it's alright, because they have an opportunity tonight to win the tag team titles in their last match. Triple threat. I don't even know who's in there. Sami Zayn, Shinsuke Nakamura. The win goes to Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn retained it again? What? Why? Why does that coincidentally happen? No, Ziggler has a match in the main event. Ruby Riott, Dana Brooke. I think it's like the second women's match of this whole thing. Murphy versus Cesaro. Again, Murphy finally beats Cesaro. Here it is. This is what I was talking about. L.O.D versus the Dirty Dogs. L.O.D's last ever match. Then this video will be wrapping up. Let's see. L.O.D, Dirty Dogs, what's gonna happen? SmackDown Tag Titles, and L.O.D won SmackDown Tag Team Champions. That brings them to 3 wins and 2 losses. That is it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Another Wheel of Names will be being uploaded on Sunday. Let's see who's gonna win. It's gonna be my top 50 favorite male superstars. Whoever wins that will be in Fed Simulator on your chosen brand. And then it's going to be my legend. It's going to be legends. And whoever wins, really, I'm going to do 30 legends. Whichever one of the 30 legends win will be put on whatever brand you want. You guys choose on Brandon Does Everything Reddit page. Thank you very much. And I will see you all in the next video.